Welcome back to my food channel. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to a real good friend of mine who's worked in a 5-star restaurant and hotels. Orlando is going to show us how to cook seafood paella. Welcome to my food channel.
Thank you, Israel. Thank you very much.
And thank you for being my guest.
My pleasure.
Take it away, my friend.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm very excited that I have been invited to my friend's food channel. I'm also going to make for you something very easy to do, my own version of seafood paella. Now bear in mind that everyone can make a dish their own. Whichever ingredients that you feel comfortable with, whichever ingredient that you think it will enhance the taste of the food that you're making will be just fine. I thank you very much and I hope you do enjoy my recipe. Thank you so much. And these are the basic ingredients that you need to make my delicious paella. Turkey sausage, black pepper, tomato paste, long grain rice, shrimp, garlic, tomatoes, scallops, and sazon Goya. Please make sure that you can get sazon Goya with culantro and achiote. So let's get started. Now I'm going to put up the heat and I'm going to add 5 cups of water. That's 4. And remember, 1 cup of water per 1 cup of rice. That's the ratio of 1 to 1. Afterwards, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. That's 1. That's 2. We're gonna cover the pan, and all we need to do is to wait for the water to boil. Now, I am going to add the oil to the rice. And there you are. We have the olive oil already in the pot. And I will add the rice to the boiling water. And once this rice is cooking, I will prepare the sauce to make the delicious paella. Now remember folks that this is a seafood paella, and you can make it your own by adding whichever ingredients you think is appropriate. And there you have it. Now we're gonna do a little stirring. And I'm going to lower the heat to medium. I'm gonna lower it to medium and let it cook until it's done. And we cover it up and we start making the sauce. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of garlic. Two. 2.5. 3. Following the garlic, medium. Following the garlic, I will put the tomato paste. That will add some beautiful color. would add some delicious color. To make it and marry with the garlic. And then I'm going to add a package of Sazon Goya. Now remember, this Sazon Goya has culantro and achiote. The culantro will give a specific taste to the dish, and the achiote is used mainly for coloring. And here is the package. Right now, I am stirring the Sazon Goya, and I'm going to add the turkey sausage to the pan, cooked. Meanwhile, boy, I wish you guys would be here so you can smell it. Now we're gonna let it cook for a little bit. Uncovered. I forgot to mention about adding clam juice to the dish. Put it in. And now I'm gonna let it boil. I already added half a tablespoon of salt, just to give it a better taste to the sauce as well. Now we're going to be adding the scallops. We give it a little stir, and we let them boil for a little bit. Now that the rice is cooked, we're going to add the sauce and the scallops into the rice. And we are going to stir it. And at the same time, we're going to add the shrimp. Now that we added the shrimp, we're gonna let it cook in low heat for approximately 15 minutes. And that'll help to cook the shrimp to his tender side. See the shrimp? The shrimp is almost cooked. Okay, folks, and there you have it. Doesn't that look good? It's been already 20 minutes and everything is already done. And there you have it, folks. Delicious seafood paella. Thank you so very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
I hope you enjoy my good friend Orlando's delicious seafood paella recipe. Thank you, Orlando.
Thank you, Israel, for having me. And thank you so much for joining me. Thank you.
And until next time, where I show you how to cook delicious, simple recipes that anybody can do. Until next time.